Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. Today we are diving into a skin product that claims to be game changer for dark spots, acne scars, and uneven skin tone. It's the Access Wide Dark Spot Correcting Serum. If you have been struggling with hyperpigmentation, dun skin, or the stubborn spots, this serum promises to help brighten things up. But does it actually work? Let's break it down and find out. So, what is the Access Wide Dark Spot Correcting Glow Serum is all about? It's a lightweight, fast absorbing serum designed to even out your skin tone, fades the dark spot, and give you that very fresh gray and radiant glow. This is made by Access Y Company, which is known for its K beauty brand for its climate-based skincare manufacturing. And it also says that this serum is vegan, cruelty free, and fragrance free, making it very great for the sensitive skin. This serum is packed with skin loving ingredients that help for reducing the dark spots and hyperpigmentation, even out your complexions, give you the natural skin and healthy glow, and calm your skin. Sounds amazing, right? But what actually inside that makes it work like this? Let's talk about ingredients now. The magic of the serum comes from the blend of its powerful ingredients. In this serum, the most important component it contains is 5% niacinamide, which actually helps to fade your dark spots, control your oil, and boost your skin elasticity. The second component it has is squalene, which is a plant derived hydrator that locks the moisture and keeps your skin very soft and smooth. The third ingredient is rice bran extract, which is packed with the antioxidant and brightening properties. The last is calendula, papaya, and sea buckthorn extracts, which are the botanical extracts, soothes the irritation and fights the inflammation and enhance the glow factor. Now the point is who should use it and who shouldn't use it. It's great for all the skin types, including oily, dry, combo, and even the acne prone skins too. But if you are very sensitive to niacinamide, please avoid it. And remember to do always a patch test before using any of the new products. Using the serum is super simple. First, start with cleaning your face with any of your favorite cleanser. Second, apply a toner. Third, pump a small amount of your serum and gently apply it to all over your focused areas. Fourth, pat it in. Let your skin absorb it. Then seal it with your moisture. You can use the serum twice a day, morning and night, for the best results. Be consistent with it because the spots, scars, and all things take time to fade away. So patience is a key here. And remember that in morning you always apply a sunscreen after the moisturizer. Results may vary from person to person, but on an average, after 2 weeks, skin looks brighter and more even. And continuous usage after 4 weeks, many users see a 20% reduction in dark spots. But after 8 weeks, you can significantly see the improvement in hyperpigmentation, acne scars, and stubborn dark spots. But I can only say that consistency is the key. So no skincare products works overnight. So stick with the best routine what you have and wait for the results. If you want to maximize the results with this dark spot correcting glowing serum, you can pair it with some kind of other serums too, like hyaluronic acid for the extra hydration boost. Second, you can pair it with peptide serums, which is considered as a great for anti-aging and skin repair. But avoid layering with high strength vitamin C or the retinol at the same time. It may cause some kind of irritation to you. So this was all about Access by Dark Spot Correcting Glow Serum. If you're looking for a gentle but effective serum to fade away your given concerns and even out your skin tone, this one is definitely worth a shot. But remember that skincare takes time, so be patient and consistent towards your routine. Always wear a sunscreen to prevent furthermore pigmentation and dark spots. If you have tried this serum, let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear your thoughts. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more skincare tips and reviews. See you in the next one. Bye bye.